From canal blockages to microchip shortages, the past year has shed light on holes in the supply chain and put a squeeze on industries far and wide. What would you say are some of the most important stories and trends that are really driving this mass adoption of computing?
Something that no one could have forecasted, no one could have projected, and that was a global pandemic. Putting that at a pause, that created a supply chain issue for semiconductors.
Intel is leading the largest private sector investment in Arizona history with the launch of its 2 new chip factories. Can you offer some perspective on the background behind this investment into localized semiconductor fabrications?
The concentration of supply of semiconductors in one part of the world really puts our entire global supply chain at risk. And this is really where Intel has come in with big bets to right this ship.
Are we on the verge of a new golden age? Well, one thing's for sure. If we are, you can bet we'll see it right here on Made in America.